how to integrate Zotero and Obsidian. So you just came across this way of being efficient, productive, and on top of the game, making your research efficient, precise, and yet comprehensive, because you will just encounter all the literature on your given topic. But the catch is you will have to learn Markdown. You need to have some coding familiarities. You need to link 3 community plugins on Obsidian, and you will simply just use Zotero to as like a graveyard for all your research input that you will read later. You're just building your, what they call it, AKB, personal management for your knowledge something. And if you're lucky now, you'll start reading on Zotero, highlighting, and then importing your notes to Obsidian, but you don't really know what you're gonna do with it, so just have some highlighting and annotation in there, and the outcome of it will be no much different than this guy. I would not recommend to you put the effort of to integrate Zotero and Obsidian. It's a powerful tool only if you're doing why you're doing it. The only argument they tell you to link them is that, and have this integration is that when you have multiple papers and when you just need to know it, and this beautiful graph in Obsidian and all of that. It's just like giving you a powerful weapon, and you just only need to catch a cat. You can simply just hold the cat. And this simply comes back to you. Why do you want to do your research? Okay, I wanna have this literature article done by Sunday. Okay, so why don't you read just the top 3 papers regarding this topic and import them to Zotero and highlight there and get a blank piece of paper and write what you want to write and get it done. What I want to say is, don't get lost trying to be ready, learning Markdown and the Obsidian, which is, well, a huge community. Don't get lost in trying to be ready to do the thing, and just do the thing. You want to get a literature review done? You're going to get a publication of a review article? Great, you're an undergraduate, just do it. You're doing a PhD and your supervisor need a review article. He will not appreciate the seamless, smooth workflow. He will just need the review article done. And the mere fact that you have beautiful notes imported in Obsidian where you can wrangle it up as you want is not doing the job. So don't you dare get lost in trying to be ready, and just get it done, because done is better than perfect. And this is what I'm doing. At some point I will just link my Zotero to Obsidian 100%, but for my milestones at this point, I just need to get things done.